Justin Cody Worden with Austin American Technology. I'm here with one of my main guys, Mr. Mike Young. Mike, how you doing today?
I'm doing very well, thank you.
Awesome, man. And we're here. We're on live on the floor of a show, so you might hear some background noise. There's a lot of people running around all over. Everyone's trying to hide from the camera. So once I turn them on, they all kind of go in the other direction. Might not be the best way to have a booth, but we'll cover that bridge later. But anyways, Mike, so how you doing, man?
Doing well. It's a great show.
It is.
Turnout.
Yeah, and even though this isn't your territory, it's good that you're out here and about. You got a lot of cool things going on. We were talking about that, but let's kind of talk a little bit about your territory. Where do you call home?
So I live outside of St. Louis, Missouri, and I cover Illinois, Wisconsin, a little bit of Ohio, a little bit of Kentucky, a little bit of Indiana. Kind of travel all in a big circle.
You said it to me last night. You said you might put more miles on your car than anyone else in the industry.
Probably. I'm up there.
That's a bold statement for a sales guy.
It is,
especially one that is an outside sales rep. But you've been repping Austin American for quite a while. Line Solutions, that's one of your core businesses. I mean, they've year in and year out, they've always been the top performing rep agency for Austin American.
Thank you.
How long ago did you start at Line Solutions?
Line Solutions, we formed in 2003. Me and one of my original associates were part of another rep group that we bought out. 2003, we formed the name Line Solutions. 2004, one of our top guys merged in with us to become a partner, and we've had about 3 or 4 others added since then.
Okay. And you cover that whole Midwest area. I mean, you guys got from Pennsylvania all the way over to your side, all the way up into Wisconsin.
Yep.
Yeah,
we've got
great.
6 or 7 guys covering about 15 states.
Say that again?
6 or 7 guys covering about 15 states.
Okay, so the whole team's putting on some miles.
Yeah.
That's for sure.
Yep.
Well, yeah, you guys have been a blessing for me when I come on the agency or came into the industry. Your agency's really helped me out quite a bit, learning and just meeting a lot of people. And now, outside of Line Solutions, what else you got going on?
So recently I started working with a company called Cicino, and we set up a company called Cicino America, and it's called Smart and Steady Innovation. And we bring a selective soldering machine and a wave soldering machine to market here in the U.S., across all of the U.S., actually across all of the Americas. And it's been a great expansion for our company, for our people, for our business, and kind of taking us out into other territories like what we're doing here today.
Absolutely. And that's mainly I've heard you talk a lot about the selective soldering, right?
Yes.
Yeah. That's
selective soldering.
That's getting very popular here in the States.
It is. It's growing by leaps and bounds. I think I got into the industry in the beginning of the 90s, went to work for Electrobird doing wave solder machines, and I was told in the early 90s that this is not going to be around for very much longer. Here we are in the 2022, and we're still doing a lot of wave soldering, but selective soldering has taken over a lot of the wave soldering business that did exist.
Well, it's a damn good thing Austin America is one of your principals, because you just said Electrobird in one of our marketing videos, but we'll let that slide. But anyways, but you talk about wave soldering, so it's okay. But what are some of the other main principles that you have on your card?
We represent Co-Young. We represent Yamaha. Those are 2 of our top lines. We represent Asus Group, which is another one of our top lines, and Nordson and Semtech, and one of our top lines. And great to be here with Austin American, one of the, if not the best cleaner in the market.
There you go. I was waiting for him to say it, but Mike, man, it's such a pleasure. I really appreciate everything you, Line Solutions, your entire team do for me, and Todd at Austin American. You guys are great, man. Appreciate it so much.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. Here we go.